In this video, we're going to take a look at how to video chat on Instagram. So if you've ever wondered how to do it, this is the video for you. Like always, please subscribe to the YouTube channel. I create awesome tutorials for you every single day. Okay, so if we start now and click the top right hand corner, the icon that looks like a plane or two triangles stuck together. From there, you'll notice at the top of the screen we have a video icon. You could select that, or if you previously have a message open with somebody that you'd like to do a video chat with, you can click on their profile picture. Now, like the screen before, you have the video icon, so if you press that, you'll be able to start a video chat with the end user. Obviously, the person isn't online at the moment, so I can't video chat, but you'd be able to have an awesome video chat conversation with them. For more tutorials, please subscribe. See you in the next video.